couple of flashlights, Ryobi, and then Milwaukee M12 hand cleaner, hydrogen peroxide, med kit, another Mago grip pouch, clamps onto this bag right here. Mago grip. I just went in there after I had this pouch for a little while. I went into Home Depot and I got all the other things that are kind of cool. I have a lot more batteries than what you see here, but for now they're all somewhere else getting charged. DeWalt's, I got 360 volt DeWalt's, and the rest are 5 amp hour 20 volt, and then it's a couple of 4 and 3 and 2 amp hours. M12 batteries, I have a bunch more of them being charged. I don't have any M18 yet. I just have M12 for Milwaukee, and then I have 20 volt DeWalt for everything else. Keep a lot of my cleaner for CPVC, primer, glue, PVC glue, pipe dope, different types for gas, and water. I like to use Megalock for water, and I use Rector Seal number 5 for gas. Love that. Got some putty. Got some antioxidant joint compound for electrical when you do panels. Got another one of Rector Seal back here. All these are that's what that is. So this is for checking water pressure. Well, you need to check the water pressure whenever you're replacing or recharging a expansion tank. I'll get into how you do that someday, but a lot of guys don't know this, and I'll talk about it now while I'm at it. You need to find out what the house pressure is, the highest. So you leave it on for about, I don't know, 10 minutes. You run a couple of things, let's say. That should be good enough. And then let's say your house pressure is 60 psi max. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to pressurize the expansion tank to 60 psi. I know they come pre-charged, but you're really supposed to charge them to match the house pressure. So that's what I use that for. Now this other drawer is kind of miscellaneous junk. This is kind of turning into a junk shelf. And then here I've got my bits, different kind of bits, Ryobi, some drill bits in here. These are all tips. And then I've got some duct tape, and this is like AC ducts. It's good for dryer vents and things like that. But anyway, so that's that. I use these abrasive pads for cleaning copper. When I pro press the fittings on, I like to clean it with this instead of sandpaper. I'll show you guys that in a minute. This is a 60 volt DeWalt table saw. I have a bracket back there, which is an H track, and then I have a couple of connectors and just bungee cords holding everything nice and tight. Doesn't move, doesn't go anywhere. This table saw is just sitting down, and I got a piece of plywood here, and then it's cut out back there for the leg, and it fits. The way they designed this table saw, it actually works out awesome, the way it sits down there. And then this plywood sits right on top. This doesn't move at all because I have it bungee corded up, see? But anyway, look, I could take this off. I could take off the bag, right? And then I got, oh, there's my other battery. Been looking for that. Okay, so this thing's awesome. So let me just put this back. Okay, that goes there, right? And what's cool also, these are rubberized back here, and it helps it so the wood doesn't slip. Put this here. None of this stuff moves when I'm driving, ever. It's awesome. Okay, so that's that, okay? I also used to have another bag back here, but I took the tool out of the bag, and I put it somewhere else in the van. But over here I have another Husky bag. This is the one I bring in whenever I need something to carry a lot of tools and it's on wheels. It's empty. I just put in there what I need depending on the job. Back here I've got a Husky, it's like a carry-all. I like this. I just got this a few weeks ago. I bring that in the jobs. It holds a lot. I bring that on most small jobs. And then I just move this out of the way. Watch. Just pull it out like that. Just rolls right out. Or I could just tilt it if I need to get into these drawers. So back here is my Pro Press. So that's a Milwaukee pipe tubing cutter. This thing's great. I love it. Cuts copper super fast and easy. Takes the smaller batteries also. And then it's cut, and then you, like that, you pull the pipe out. And then this is my M12 Force Logic press tool. Okay, let me stick the battery in there. Okay, battery's in there. Now I only carry 3/4 and 1/2 inch jaws. Okay, check it out. Press the button and this shows you the battery, and this is the head swivels. Okay, there you go, head swivels. And then this is what you do to press it to take it off the fittings. And then when you're ready to press, you press the button, then you can let go and it automatically does the press. And then you just go like this, take it off the fitting, and you're done. No soldering, although I do have a torch just in case. Okay, I'm not going to go into there, but I have overflow plumbing tools and overflow carpentry tools in those two boxes in there. In here